Welcome to the EPCB boiler factory. Today we will witness the delivery process of a 2-ton gas boiler. After rigorous design and manufacturing, this boiler is ready to go and help the sizing industry improve production efficiency. Before shipping, we need to ensure that the loading area is safe and ready. They will be carefully loaded onto our customized container transport truck. EPCB gas boilers are equipped with multiple safety protection devices and high-quality manufacturing processes to ensure safety and reliability, compact structure, small footprint, easy installation and maintenance. Suitable for textile industry, EPCB boilers are flexibly customized according to customer needs. It helps to optimize production processes, improve energy efficiency, reduce costs, while ensuring the safety and sustainability of the production environment. Now, the boiler is carefully loaded onto the truck and is ready to be shipped to the customer site. Thank you for choosing EPCB boilers. We look forward to its outstanding performance in the sizing industry.